Welcome to my review of Crowd2Fund. This platform is designed to help investors participate in real estate projects by connecting them with property developers in need of funding. Upon landing on the homepage, you're greeted with a clean and professional layout, making it easy to navigate. You can browse various investment opportunities by category, such as residential, commercial, or mixed-use projects. Crowd2Fund prides itself on providing access to high-quality investment options, with projects carefully vetted before being listed. Investors can start with a relatively low minimum investment, which makes it accessible for those who may not have significant capital to invest in traditional real estate deals. The website itself is intuitive, and registration is simple. After signing up, you can view projects available for funding, check project details, and view the expected returns. Crowd2Fund also displays information about the developers behind each project, so you can make more informed decisions. Many useful links can be found in the description below. These are not related to Crowd2Fund, but could be valuable for further exploring the world of real estate investments and crowdfunding platforms. Be sure to check them out after watching the video. One of the standout features of Crowd2Fund is its focus on transparency. The platform provides regular updates on the progress of funded projects, so you can track how your investment is performing. Additionally, Crowd2Fund uses a detailed risk profile for each investment, which allows you to assess the level of risk you're taking on before committing any funds. Another thing I appreciate about Crowd2Fund is the variety of payment options it supports. Whether you're looking to invest a lump sum or make smaller incremental investments, the platform gives you flexibility. It's also important to note that Crowd2Fund is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, which adds an extra layer of credibility to the platform. In terms of fees, Crowd2Fund is relatively transparent as well, outlining any charges that may apply when investing or withdrawing funds. The platform doesn't hide fees behind complicated terms, so you know what to expect. To sum up, Crowd2Fund offers a solid platform for those interested in real estate crowdfunding. With a range of investment opportunities, a user-friendly interface, and a focus on transparency, it's a strong choice for anyone looking to diversify their investment portfolio. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Your support helps me create more in-depth reviews like this one.